better than a pretty loss. And sometimes, how the football play, you have to be ugly, yeah, to get the result. So it was an ugly game today, but we get the result.
So you're definitely pleased with the fact that you could stop that.
Yes, man. We definitely come today to stop the bleed. Because first, if you stop the bleed, regain back like a confidence in the camp, then you go for the maximum. So we tell them if we couldn't get 3 today, we leave it with 1, and the guys them respond very well to that.
Oh, I would say, as you get the point, you look forward to move forward. Anything you think you have to start out to get the team on a winning mood now?
Yeah, we have a lot of little stuff to do. I think we are not, some of us are not physically enough. And, you know, as I said to you before, I think we were playing well in the first round. But because we go into that slump, it kind of take away our confidence somewhat. So this second round started us with a point, and we only can build from here. There are some areas that I see that I need to put some extra work on, and I'll be doing that.
So I definitely think you can catch up towards the top 6.
Yeah, man. I mean, yeah. If you look at the bottom half of the top 6, they're catchable. You know, some of the teams that higher up in the standing might be unreachable, but there are teams that is catchable.
Coach, I hear your assistant has resigned. How true is that, and could that tell me?
No, man. No fact to that at the moment. I mean, you know, football state is stressing, and I go through that little stage sometimes. So he just take a little time to reflect and revitalize himself.
So it's still a part of the
man, still a part of it.
Thank you very much, Coach.